body.
Yeah, one of the worst Mustangs ever made. Oh, Mercury's.
Oh, now there's something you don't know.
Yeah, Mercury Bobcat.
Bobcat, man. See, I got the sport back in Bobcat. Slowly. Boy, I recognize that. Yeah, how can you miss them?
Oh, God! It's not smart. If you're going to do a burnout, don't do it in front of damn cops.
No, that's newer. I got the split window. My money and where the hell did you go? Yeah, 66.
If you're going to do a burnout, you don't do it in front of the freaking cops around here.
Well, what are they going to give you? $25?
No.
50?
You know what reckless tires are on, or reckless, that's considered reckless endangerment, and I've heard the fines are up to
150.
I heard up to $750 for breaking loose your tires.
Night Rider? Yeah. It wasn't Night Rider. That's what it's called. Chevy. I don't want to litter. Here you go. Somebody actually died. Yeah. I can't tell them apart. Ceylon. What is it? Lotus Ceylon. Lotus. That's a load. I couldn't get out of it. Good one, far away. Look at that Monte Carlo. Oh, you want that, don't you? I do with the Monte Carlo.